Hey everybody, it is Friday the 25th. I am so sorry that yesterday I did not make a video. It completely forgot and slipped my mind. But today's video or what we're doing today is kind of continuation over what we've done the past 2 days. We are going to be finishing our 13 Colonies book. So once again, we're working on this 13 Colony slide deck book. Yesterday on Wednesday we did the Southern Colony Gallery walk to use that to fill out the information. Yesterday we did New England. Today we're going to do the Middle Colonies. So let me publish it real quick. We'll be doing the Middle Colonies. Now the Middle Colonies are going to be a mixture of the New England and Southern Colonies. So if you kind of keep that in the back of your mind, if you remember everything about New England, how it had bad soil, so they had to be fur traders and sell lumber, along with the idea of the Southern Colonies having to grow everything off of cash crops. Kind of keep that in mind. It's a mixture of both. Middle Colonies are going to be New York. I'm going to go in order. Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. Full disclosure, Delaware is not that important, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on it. So those are the three states you're going to look at today, along with the life in the Middle Colonies. Use the gallery walk placards to fill out the rest of your book. And if y'all have any questions, guys, comments, anything I can help you with, make sure you are messaging me so I can help you out. I will see y'all on Monday if you're not in class today.